Kimchi is a delicious fermented food normally found in Korean cuisine. It's really easy to make. All you do is you take a cabbage, add a bunch of vegetables to it, let it sit out, ferment, and then enjoy it. To get started, go ahead and find your cabbage. Once your cabbage has been cleaned up, quarter it. Then remove all of the cores. Chop up the individual slices. Add those slices to an empty bowl. Add a quarter cup of salt. Mix that salt in really well. Massage it for about 5 minutes. Add water. Let this mixture sit out for about an hour. Then take your garlic, chop it up, grind up some ginger, chop up your onions. Add all of that to a separate bowl. Add your seasonings. Add your chipotle, cumin, smoked paprika, some fish sauce, olive oil, tamari. Then chop up your peppers. Be sure to use a glove for that. Add it all to a mixture. Then drain your cabbage and add the mixture to your cabbage. Then once it's all been mixed up really well, add it to a jar. Put a cover on that jar. Paper towel with rubber band works out really well. Let this sit out for about 5 days, then put a normal jar on it. Put it in the fridge, then enjoy.